So, you know that the fastest way to know whether a data set is going to stress you out is by opening it in Excel. Because look at this, the date column is completely messy, different date formats, inconsistent structure, mixed entries, and this is exactly the kind of thing that causes problems later during analysis and reporting. So instead of doing everything manually, I'm going to use Data Revamper to clean this data set much faster. So right now, I'm uploading the data set into Data Revamper. The first thing I want to handle is the dates column because dates are extremely important in financial data sets. If your dates are inconsistent, your filters, reports, dashboard, charts, and even your analysis can become unreliable. And that is something a lot of people overlook. So inside Data Revamper, I'm going to standardize the entire date column into one clean and consistent format. And within seconds, the dates are now properly structured. Now let's move to the next issue, the missing values. For this data set, I'm choosing to use average method to fill all the missing values. And honestly, average works really well here because this data set contains continuous numerical financial data. We are dealing with balance, sales, expenses, and withdrawals. So instead of inserting random numbers or replacing the missing values with zero, average imputation uses values calculated from the existing data already present in each column. And that is important because using zero could distort the analysis completely. And honestly, this is where tools like Data Revamper become extremely useful because data cleaning is one of the most time consuming parts of data analysis. Before you can build dashboards, create reports, train models, or generate insights, your data needs to be cleaned first. And right now, this data set has gone from messy and inconsistent to clean, structured, and ready for analysis. That is the power of efficient data cleaning. And if you regularly work with a raw data set, Data Revamper can seriously save you a lot of time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll be sharing more tips on how to clean your data sets without using Excel. Bye.